Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me an email stating that when they type, they're getting a red hairline. Now, I don't know if they're getting a red hairline and a fill, but this would be kind of pointless to, well, unless you're going to cut the letters out. So to remedy that, go up to Windows, Dockers, and down to, well, there's two ways you can go it. We can go text, and it's going to open up the text Docker. And I changed mine. So I'm going to change it to none. And I'm going to go no fill. I'm going to change it to uniform fill. Now I had that selected. So to do this, you really got to let's take everything off the screen. I'm going to go none and go ahead and go artistic text and say, okay. And then I'm going to go fill, uniform fill, artistic text and say, okay. Now we've got none in uniform fill. I would immediately go to tools, save as default, have all these checked and say save. Now, if we bring in the text tool, we write and we get normal text. Now we take away the fill. You can't really do it because it's but we can go to arrange, convert them to a curve, and then you can X out the fill and add a hairline. Actually make it red so you can do the same thing. But so this is your text Docker. I'm pretty sure it's not only under the text, under the Windows and Dockers, I think it's under text. Let me close this down. Go to text and well, I've got it still open. Close it down. Go to text and go right here to text or Control T and we'll open up this text Docker. So uniform fill and if you don't know what is right here, outline settings, fill settings, it's kind of confusing, or fill settings, modify, change, fill characters. I don't really know the difference between the two. Well, these are character background setting. So don't mess with that, but go uniform fill and none, and then go up to tools and save as default. And then that way it should work. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.